Hi kids, I'm going to show you how to use your new e-learning classroom. So I'm going to get started. I hope everybody is doing well and share my screen with you and show you how everything will work. Okay, so this is what it will look like. You are going to get some directions on how to log in, and then when you log in, you will get to this page and you'll do all your work on this one page. So first, this video will be there, how to navigate your new e-learning classroom. And you can come back and watch it at any time if you have any confusion or questions. You can just slide the arrow right here on the video to get to the part that you want to get clearer instructions. So the first item we have is a vocabulary review. And you'll press play for me to read the directions and worksheet out loud. And what you can do here is this part wants you to read each clue below and circle the vocabulary word. So to circle, use this pen tool. You click on that and you will circle your choice. And then down here, I'd like you to type. So you will go click the type tool and you will click here and you will type your choice. And I didn't click very well there, so I'm going to click up a little higher so I can still see my words, and I'll choose pale. And then I can just click off of that. And you can change, I think you can change the size of your text. Let's see. Oops, maybe not. So you can also write in your choices. If you want to delete something, you'll just make sure that it has a click on it, make sure it has a box around it, and delete your choice. Next, you have your spelling practice. And the same thing, you will press listen to instructions. This one is going to, I will say, spell, and say each word with you through the whole list. And then you will come up here and you will type in the correct spelling of each word. So this one I would type in D-A-R-E. And I would keep going down and doing that for each one until I was finished. This is our spelling sort. So on Mondays, we'll sort our spelling words, and the same thing, we can listen to instructions here. And we'll click the word. And this one, dear, it does have E-A-R, but it isn't like air. So I would say that one is other, because we're looking for that air sound. Remember the air sound, like A-I-R and chair and bear. So you'll click on each one, like pear. So that one goes as the A-I-R air sound, and you'll sort that into each category. The next one is a sight word preview and review. So again, you can listen to the instructions and you press play and you try to beat Miss Sinclair in saying the sight words. The next one here, listen to the instructions again, and then you click here to add your text to answer the question, what makes Matthew a good citizen? On this one, you can also listen to the instructions and you'll look at your word bank down below and choose which word you think. So this says, do you know blank Pat is? Which one of these words do I want to use? I think, do you know where Pat is good. So I'm going to click here and I'm going to type in W-H-E-R-E. And then I will look at the next one and I will choose a word and see, look at that, it crossed it off because we chose that one already. Here is our math vocabulary matchup. So we're just reviewing some math vocabulary. So you'll click and pull this little bungee to your choice. So a sum, let's look through the choices, are the answer to an addition problem. So I will connect that, and you'll do that with each one until you have them all matched up. Then you have your math practice. And so here's some addition skill review, and it says to use the pen tool and text tool to write on the worksheet. If you can get the pen tool to work well for you, I'd prefer you use that because you can show your work. So for an example here, I see that there's more on the floor. So I'm going to go next door and get 10 more. So I can use this. I can cross out the 4 and make it a 3. And I can cross out the 3 and it becomes a 13. And I know 13 minus 6 is 7. Oh, we're doing addition. Make sure you look at your signs. I was so used to doing subtraction with you. So let me delete all of those markings there. So trash, trash. I'm gonna get the click guy to delete and that will highlight it. It's good that we're doing this together. Trash, click, trash, click, trash, click, trash, click, trash, click, trash. That's why it's very important to read the directions, review addition, look at our signs. We're adding. We're not going to do that so, but we will. 6 plus 3 is 9. I'll get my pen tool. And 4 plus 4 is 8. So here's where you'd want to show your group. And so like 9 plus 3, so that would be 12. So 2 1s go down and 1 10 goes up. And then 2, 3, 4. That was good practice seeing how all those tools work. So next we will go down, and this is one of our leveled readers, and I will read along with you. So if you listen to the directions, I will start reading the book, and you simply just click right on this slide to switch pages, and you can read along. I start right here at chapter 1, so we won't read all this stuff, and we should pay attention to where our imagination can take us. So, and then I'll keep reading, and you click until we are finished reading. The next one is respond to reading. So I want you to, it says, tell me, how do you know a fantastic day is fiction? And so down here, you'll click in here and you'll say, I know a fantastic day is fiction because, and you will fill in your words after that. Why do you know it's a fiction? You can also use on any of these where you have to type in an answer, you can use a voice answer or you can leave a video answer. This part says, please tell me how you feel about your assignment for the day. Was it easy, difficult, kind of easy? You can choose one of these. I'm going to say that was so easy. And I'm going to look for you to tell me today on this activity, how long did it take you to finish? And was there anything that could have been explained better? Maybe it was something difficult or easy or kind of easy. You can tell me those answers there. Again, you can give me a voice response or a video response. And then down here is how to hand in your work. So just again, listen to the instructions. It tells you how to hand in your work. And I'm going to go ahead and do that, hand in my work, and I'll show you what the feedback will look like on your side. So I'm going to click hand in work, and it said, look at that red box popped up. Now it's a good time to go over your answers, and I'm going to confirm and hand in my work. So it says your assignment is completed and feedback is below, so see how you did. So since I didn't answer a lot of the questions, I probably didn't do very well, but let's go look at what that will look like. So here, you have to wait for the teacher to come back and give you a response on this, but she will provide a response any place where you're entering and drawing in your answers. You'll have to wait for a response. Here, I only got 1 out of 15 because I only answered one question right. So it's going to show this one was correct because it's green and these ones were incorrect because I didn't do them. Same on my spelling sort. I only answered 1 and it was correct, and the other one was incorrect because I typed it into the wrong category. And here I would leave you a response about this. I probably wouldn't leave a response on this one. This is just practice. This one, you would get a response back on how your answer was. it will show up yellow up here in the top and have some directions for you. And this one I only got 1 out of 7 because I didn't answer the rest. And this one I only got 1 out of 5 because I didn't answer the rest. And here, again, your teacher would give you feedback on that in a little yellow box that would pop up here after she's looked at it. And when you've answered this question here, you will get a response. And same here, I'd be able to respond to any of your questions and leave your response. It would show up right up top here in yellow. So that is kind of how everything will look. So I hope that is helpful and you can get started with your activities. Please let me know if you have any problems with those voice responses at the bottom. I will stop sharing my screen now. There I am. So I hope you have a wonderful day trying out your new worksheet and let us know how it works. I will talk to you later. Bye. Aloha.